Rhythm of the Rain, 32 count, 2-wall, absolute beginner. Section 1 is a vine with a rock recover cross shuffle. Side behind, side cross, side rock recover cross shuffle. Section 2 is a vine with a rock recover cross shuffle. Section 2, side behind, side cross, side rock recover cross shuffle. Section 3 is a rocking chair and a jazz box. So rocking chair and a jazz box. Section 4, toe strut, and a walk 4 times into a half circle. Again from the front, it's a vine with a rock recover cross shuffle. So starting with the right, side behind, side cross, side rock, cross shuffle. Section 2, a vine with a side rock cross shuffle. Side behind, side cross, side rock, cross shuffle. Section 3, a rocking chair with a vine, jazz box. Rocking chair, 1, and jazz box. Section 4, 2 toe struts and a walk 4 times, made in a half circle. Toe strut, walk, 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 walk. Now with the count. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again from the front. Side behind, side cross, side rock, recover. With the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, side behind, side cross, side rock, cross shuffle. With the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, it's a rocking chair and a jazz box. Now with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 2 toe struts and a walk times 4 with a half circle. Toe strut, walk, 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 walk. With the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.